Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about R, and today I'm going to download and install RStudio. So first of all, I just open a browser, just click here, and here I just type RStudio and click here, and here you can see I have this page, and here we have go to download. I just click here, and here you can see download RStudio desktop. And here when I scroll down, from here I can download the R console, and from here step 2 I can download the RStudio desktop for Windows from here. And when I scroll it down, and you can see here we have RStudio for different OS, and here you can see we have for Windows 10 11, we have for Mac OS, and so on. So now I just select the first one. I just click on this. When I click here, the download will start here. So I just click on this. The download has started here. So it will take a few seconds. So it will finish. So now I just click here, open. It will load. So I just minimize this page. And here, welcome to RStudio setup. So I want to install it next. And here I can choose the location as R. You can see here I can browse from here, and I leave it as default and next. And here these are other applications here in that folder. I just install this, and it will take a few minutes. I just skip this, and now the installation is almost finished. And yes, just finish here. I click here. So after that, and I just come here and search RStudio, and click open. And here I have to link my RStudio with R console, and here you can see I have this version of R. I have to select this one. I have to link these two, and okay. That's it. You can see now my RStudio is ready to run. And here we have 4 windows. From here we can minimize and maximize each window. From here can remove this and this one. I just type my first code here, and I'm going to create a vector. I just type here for L, comma 5L, and yes, and from here I can run this. When I run this, so it will be here, and I just type here Y and enter. You can see I have 4 and 5. So that's it about installing, downloading and running the RStudio. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.